GIMP or Photoshop, which one should you actually use? Both are powerful image editors, but they are built for different types of users. Let's compare them quickly. Intro. Adobe Photoshop is one of the most popular professional image editing tools available. GIMP, or GNU Image Manipulation Program, is a free and open source alternative. So which one gives you more value? Price. This is the biggest difference. GIMP is completely free with no subscription required. Photoshop requires a paid Adobe subscription, so if your budget is limited, GIMP clearly wins. Features. Both programs offer essential tools like layers, masks, selections, filters, color correction, and advanced image manipulation. However, Photoshop has a more extensive feature set, especially for professional workflows. It also includes advanced AI-powered features, automation, and better integration with other Adobe apps. GIMP is still very capable, but some advanced workflows can require more manual work or third-party plugins. Ease of use. Photoshop generally has a smoother workflow and a more polished interface, especially for professional users. GIMP can take more time to learn, particularly if you are coming from Photoshop, but once you understand its interface, you can accomplish many of the same basic tasks. Who should use which? Choose GIMP if you want a powerful image editor that's completely free, especially for personal projects, basic graphic design, photo editing, or learning. Choose Photoshop if you are a professional designer, photographer, content creator, or someone who needs advanced features and integration with the Adobe ecosystem. Verdict. So which one is better? Photoshop wins overall because of its advanced features, professional workflow, AI tools, and ecosystem. But GIMP is an excellent choice if you do not want to pay for software. For many users, it provides more than enough functionality for free. If this comparison helped you choose between GIMP and Photoshop, please like the video, subscribe for more straightforward software comparisons and reviews. Thanks for watching and goodbye.